Hello, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you the best macaroni and cheese recipe from scratch. Let's get right into it. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll first put a pot of water on. I'll add half a tablespoon of salt and then I'll bring it to a boil. Once it boils, I'll add in 1 pound of elbow pasta or macaroni pasta. I'll give it a good mix and I'll allow it to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes or until it is al dente. I'll be using cheddar cheese and Colby jack cheese. I'll be shredding my own cheese. It is the best thing to do when you're making macaroni and cheese. I'll just be using half of each, which is 8 ounces. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. God bless you. I'm all done shredding or grating my cheese. Everything goes on the tray. I'll add off the block 4 cheese Mexican. This is 4 different type of Mexican cheese and that goes on the tray as well. We'll set it on the side for now. It's been about 7 to 8 minutes and my pasta is perfectly cooked. I'll strain the water without rinsing and then I'll put in about 2 tablespoons of butter. This prevents the pasta from sticking together. Very important step. And then I'll set it on the side. Into the same pot, I'll add in half a stick of butter. I'll allow the butter to melt and then I'll add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and then I will whisk it together. The most important thing here is to make sure your flour is very well cooked. We don't want the macaroni and cheese to taste like flour. Add in about 3.5 cups of milk. And this can be any milk of choice. You can use evaporated milk, whole milk, any milk of choice. And then we'll keep mixing until the milk heats through. Once the milk heats through, I'll add in paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, Badia complete seasoning, black pepper, my chicken bouillon or chicken seasoning, and then I'll give everything a good mix. And this is called the roux. I'll keep mixing until it is well thickened up and then I'll add in half of each of the cheeses. If you notice, I didn't add any salt into the roux because the cheese also contains lots of salt. So please add the salt to your taste. Now that my cheese is in, I'll give everything a good mix until everything is well melted in. And at this point, I'll add in my macaroni or my pasta and then we'll mix everything together very well. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, please kindly give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Now that everything is well mixed in, I'll transfer my macaroni and cheese into a casserole dish. This is 9 by 13. I'll spread it out beautifully and then I'll add the remaining cheese all over the top of the macaroni, guys. This is where it gets exciting, okay? So we'll spread it out beautifully and then we'll be adding some more seasoning. You can make this macaroni and cheese for your Thanksgiving dinner or your Christmas dinner. To finish it off, I'll sprinkle some paprika on there. I'll sprinkle Badia complete seasoning and black pepper. All what is left is to cover it with aluminum foil, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and then you bake it uncovered for 10 minutes to get a crusty and cheesy topping. And the moment of truth, guys, the macaroni and cheese is out and this is the outcome. It turned out so delicious and this is what I'll be making as a side dish on our Thanksgiving day. I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. Trust me, you will never be disappointed. This is the best macaroni and cheese recipe. My family really enjoyed it and everyone is looking forward to this macaroni and cheese recipe again on Thanksgiving. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.